Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple DIY vanity mirror on a budget. In order to do your fabulous makeup and fabulous hair, you need the perfect mirror. I know we all want those Pinterest perfect vanity mirrors, so here's a simple DIY using the LED light strips that I brought from eBay. And I bought this mirror from Family Dollars for $12. So the whole thing was under $30. You can't beat that. I wish I would have got this square mirror because I'm struggling. As you can see, with this circle mirror, it's more harder to put on the strips going around. And I did repeat this process 4 times, so I'm not going to show it because it's repetitive, so I'm just going to keep going around the mirror until I run out of strip. And I will leave the link in the description box of where I ordered these strips from. I think it was like $15.99. I'm not sure, but I'll definitely leave it down in the description box of how much I paid for it. And it comes with an adapter and a nozzle to turn the brightness up and down as you prefer, but I prefer mine bright so I can see all the blemishes, every pore, everything. I make sure I get on every crease when I do my makeup, every twist, everything. As you see, I'm done right now putting my mirror up, and I'm going to hang it, and I'm also going to cut that red cord right there. But thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.